What's up guys, it's Cody with 3D Printing Technology. For this video, I'm going to be 3D printing and assembling 2 more designs from fab365.net. So we did a video a while back with fab365.net, 3D printing one of their designs. It was a photo board van, and that one got some traction. And so I figured to do a newer video since they have released 2 new designs. And in my opinion, these designs are better than the previous video we did. So we decided to do another video to show you what it is. So to start with, we're going to go to fab365.net. We're going to go find the designs on the web page. So here is fab365's website. fab365.net. You can see some of its popular designs on the front page. And now going to the shop part of it. You can see the space shuttle we're about to get and the tank. But I'll go through some of the other designs they have as well, in case you're interested in purchasing one of these. But here's the space shuttle right now. You can see what it looks like printed or unfolded, and then you can see it folded into place. And now going back to some of his other designs, you can see them unfolded and folded. So here is the tank. It is a Tiger 1 light production. This one is a little bit more complicated to 3D print and similar than the space shuttle because you got the tank treads. Here's the finished body for the first design. There is, look, it shifted some, but I don't think it's going to be detrimental to the build, since as the tracker goes around it, and it's not really a complex type design, I guess. Now we're going to set this one to the side and start on the space shuttle. Here is the finished, and here's the finished tank print. There's still a few more parts to print, like the running gear and the tank treads and turret. And then we can remove the raft pieces. As you can see, this one's partially removed and it's starting to fold. But once we got that done, we'll start assembling the prints. So now we have the turret printing for the tank. Well, that's printing. We're going to start assembling the space shuttle. I think I have enough of the raft removed where I can start assembling it. Okay, so these 2 pieces right in here, it's really difficult to try them in at first. that's where they go. So you can see it. The other pieces are lined up. So you can see it's moving closer together now. And it's starting to look more like a space shuttle tour. So now I'm trying to get the cockpit portion of it lined up with the body part of it. Okay, so I got lined up, had to push it really hard. Now I'm trying to get this piece flat. So I think it's the best I can get with this piece without having really tight tolerances while I'm printing. So now we're going to put the landing gear on. We got this different piece, so it's probably the front piece. Just go and push that one into place. Got one of the back pieces. And the last piece. So this is made out of PETG filament, not PLA, so the tolerances are a little bit harder to get. But you can see the detail on it, and it's a pretty good design. So the bottom side. So now we're writing on the tank to finish printing. So here is the threads for the tank that's 3D printed. I have the turret already printed, and here's the threads. Surprised it turned out pretty good. There's a real issue of the raft and sticking to the bed, but it's a separate topic. So now I'm going to remove the raft and the threads from this piece, and we'll start assembling it. There's a few other pieces you can print for this tank, like a ammo box and some fenders you can add on to it. So these didn't really snap into place as well as I would like. So I'm going to hot glue these together and then hot glue them in place. So this one's not going to move as it probably should. I think the only thing that's holding these together is the raft. But I'm going to get the hot glue gun, heating up, and we're going to start folding these into place. Alright, so this one didn't turn out quite as I hoped. I thought the space shuttle was going to be the hardest one to do. But turns out the tank is kind of difficult. So I stripped the threads on like this. I believe it goes the opposite way, but I can't really bend it opposite way because of the raft on the threads. And but the layer shift had caused this piece to shift kind of when it was printing, and then the front piece should fold like this, but this one's snapped off. But I will show you guys what it looks like when it's done, what it's supposed to look like. So the two side pieces fold in like this, and they snap into these two holes. Do something like this, and this piece right here is supposed to slide in, and this piece is supposed to slide in like this, so that this is the back, and then you can snap these sides into place. Then you'll be able to fold the front piece into these two front wheel slots, like this, and then able to put threads on. We also have the turret piece that will be easy to mount, like that. So that's what it should look like when it's finished. So it should look like. Regardless, these are both two cool prints. There's print more on fab365.net if you're interested in seeing those. And there's some free ones, and these are two paid ones. So that's going to conclude the video for this week. 3 prints that are designed by Fab365, and printing them and trying to assemble both of them. I think these type of prints are a whole lot better test prints for your printer than the 3D Benchy or XYZ calibration type cubes. Those are good to get your printer calibrated, I guess, and if you want a small print, but these are really like test applications, like for like prototypes and stuff, and tolerance fits. But these prints turned out okay. I think I need to tune my slicer settings and bed rover and stuff like that to be better. Removing the rafts would be one step in the right direction when printing these. But other than that, that's gonna wrap the video up for this week. So the purpose of this video is to give you a sort of a assembly guide for these prints, or if you want to check out some cool innovative designs that you could possibly 3D print in the future. That's the purpose of it. So that's gonna wrap up the video for this week. If you like this video and today's videos first, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.